Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TV in your Cadillac Escalade. First, locate the rear seat entertainment system controls, typically found on the back of the front seats or within the center console. Next, identify the available input ports, which usually include HDMI and USB. Then, prepare your chosen media source, whether it's a DVD, a gaming console, or a streaming stick. Finally, power on the system and select the correct input to begin your viewing experience. Connecting your favorite devices to the Escalade's entertainment system is straightforward. For high-definition video and audio, simply plug your device, like a gaming console or a portable Blu-ray player, into the HDMI port. If you're using a USB drive for media, insert it into the designated USB slot. Always ensure all cables are securely connected to prevent interruptions and ensure a clear picture and sound for everyone. Once your devices are connected, operating the system is intuitive. You can navigate through menus and select content using the provided remote control or the integrated touchscreen displays. Easily adjust the volume, brightness, and other display settings to create the perfect viewing environment. For a more personal experience, passengers can connect wireless headphones, allowing for individual audio enjoyment without disturbing others in the vehicle. Beyond basic viewing, your Escalade's TV offers advanced features. Explore options like screen mirroring to display content directly from your mobile devices, enhancing entertainment possibilities. You can also set up individual profiles and preferences for each passenger, ensuring a personalized experience every time. For more great deals, and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.